What if I told you that you can create animated characters like this with just your phone? No coding, no complex activities, just your phone. Now get ready, let's show you how we did it. I'm Server HQ and I will be taking you through how you can bring your dream character to life. Don't do well to subscribe to this channel and give us a like.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. The short video you just watched is an animated character that I just created with my phone, and you can do that in minutes. Now in this video I'll be taking you step by step on how I created this animation character, and if you pay a close attention you can actually learn it and use it for your ad or advert or for your brand. Now we are going to access the website which I to create this animation. So let's go. You have to go to your Chrome browser, and when you get to your Chrome browser you have to search for animate from audio. So I'll be typing animate from audio, as you can see it here. So this is what I am talking about. I'll click on the link and it will load up. So I hope you can see it very well. This is the website I'm talking about. So I'll click the first link and it will load up. Then I'll click on start, right? So the site is loading up. Let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, we just entered the site and this is my dashboard. If this is the first time you are coming to this platform, you just have to create your account with your Gmail and you are good to go. So once you are done creating your account, this is the kind of interface that you have. So you can decide to turn this to a desktop mode by clicking this arrow, this sign. So when you click there, you will scroll down and you will see here, you see desktop site, right? You can now tap on it and it will give you a desktop site so that you can actually have the complete interface for this particular website. So I will be waiting for my desktop site to load up and we'll proceed. Yeah, as you can see, it has just loaded up and this is the page, right? Now this particular place, this first place, as you can see here, is for the character, and the second one is for the background. Here is for the background, and the third one is for the sides. I hope you can see that. So the third one is for the sides. So I'll be going to the character, which is where I am now. So let's switch to any other character apart from this one here. So I can tap on any one I want. As you can see, the character has just changed. I can tap on this one. So which one are we going to use for this very experiment? Let's use this one. Yeah, I think this one is very okay. So what I will do right now is that I will go on background. That is if I want to change the background, but if the background is okay with me, I can go with the default background. But for the sake of this video, let's just change the background and see what it looks like. I will not tap on the background, and this is so much of beautiful background. So I'll be taking this one so that it will look like the student environment, and you just see that the background has just changed. And let me go to the size, let me resize it a little bit. I'll now tap on here, which is for the sizing. Then I will choose, okay, let me choose the 1:1 because I will actually have to go and resize it again on my CapCut. That is if I still want to edit, right? So I am okay with this sizing and I will click on I'll click on here to go back. So I'll click on character, and here I am. Right now, coming to this aspect, the next thing you have to do is either to record your voice here, or you click on browse. This browse is for you to access your gallery if you have a voice already that you want to upload. Now if I click on record voice, I will actually need to use my own voice, but most of the times for some of these animated character, the best thing to do is to use AI voice so that it will suit in with the character, right? So what we'll do, instead of using this voice, my normal voice, we'll be taking this browse sign. But before then, let's head to a website and generate the voice that we want to use for this particular character. So I will now minimize. Let's go to the website that we use, and the name of the website, okay, let me go back to my Chrome. The name of the website is Naraket. So Naraket, as you can see it here, this is it here. The first one showing up here is it. So I will tap on it and I will click on this first link here, right? So let's see, and you see it open up automatically. So here you can decide to register before you generate your voice. You can decide to generate instantly without any registration. So I won't be wasting time to register. I will just click on get started and let's have it. Then I'll have to choose text to speech, right? As you can see, I'll click on text to speech and it says authenticating. I hope you can see that. Now it has just opened, and this is where I'm supposed to paste my script. Now you have also to have your doc file where you have your script already. Whatever you want your character to be saying is exactly what you write on your doc file. So I will be going to my doc file, and this is what I want my character to say. So I will copy this and I will go to this script. Now I will paste it. I can decide to change this particular names and all of that. So but for this video there is no need of me changing the name. I will just use this first one. Okay, let me choose American. Okay, British. Let me just choose British, and I'll click on create audio, right? So I'll click on create audio, and as you can see the audio is being generating. So let's wait for the audio to generate completely. Okay, now you can see that the audio has generated, which is here. So I hope you can hear the audio that we just generated.
I'm happy, and I will you happy too.
Then we'll have to now download. I will now click on download, right? So let me download the audio file. So let's give it a little bit. Okay, it's downloading already. As you can see here, it says downloading and download completed, right? So we are good with the voice. So what we'll do now is that we'll have to go back to our animation, where we have our animation, which is, I'll now tap here and I'll have to go back to this particular website. I will open it. Then okay, now I will click on browse so that I will get the voice that we generated already, the speech that we generated already. I'll click on browse. Then I'll select photo and video. This is the downloaded voice, right? The audio. As you can see, it's generating and optimizing. So let's give it a little time. Okay, now as you can see, the voice has been uploaded, and okay, let's test the animation. Let's test it now.
Server HQ is here to serve you and give you the best. Let's support each other. I will always bring new update to this channel. I'm happy and I will you happy too.
Now as you can see, the voice has been uploaded and the animation just spoke to us. So I will be going here to download the full animation video that we just compiled. So I will click on download. As you can see, it has started downloading, right? Okay, file downloaded, right? Okay, let's open and see. Let's click on open. Download. So let's see.
Server HQ is here to serve you and give you the best. Let's support each other. I will always bring new update to this channel. I'm happy and I will you happy too.
Now as you guys can see, we have succeeded in creating our animation from scratch, right? Now I believe that you've learned something in this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, share to as many as you can. See you on the next one, and also write on the comment section what and the kind of video you would like us to make. See you on the next one.